Good afternoon, everyone. I hope all of you are keeping safe and healthy and staying away from the pandemic situation as far as possible. And I hope all is well with all of the people who are today attending. Um as Shashank mentioned, this is our second Jump Shield Franchisee Summit. Anything to everything we do at Droom, we always take a lot of pride, passion in building the community more than businesses. And this is our attempt to create a very solid community with our Jump Shield business. Uh, so I would like to take a couple of minutes to give you, how we see the word around Jump Shield, the opportunity, and what does it mean to our Jump Shield franchisee community. And then we have many people from our leadership team at Droom who will walk you through on various aspects, including a product demo. There's also an opportunity for you to hear from some of our franchisee, and then anyone can ask questions. They can ask questions through their chat window. They can ask questions through their Facebook Live or YouTube Live, or once we are conducting a formal Q&A, if you have a webinar access, then you can ask question by raising your hand, and one of our team member will unblock you, basically unmute you if you raise your hand like this, so that we can take your question live. And guys, feel free to ask as many questions as possible. And we also have a large team today dedicated to answer all your questions so that you can get reply in a chat window also. So please feel free to write in Hindi, English, Punjabi, any language. To the extent possible, we'll try to reply all of your questions. And as I mentioned, there's an opportunity for you to ask the live questions as well. So with that, guys, if you just allow me, so a couple of things. First is you got couple of videos which kind of give you sense of Droom. So Droom is actually India's largest online automobile marketplace. We started in 2014, so it's been 6 years we have been operational. During this time, we have done around 21,000 crore rupees worth of transaction online or our platform, close to 3,40,000 plus small, medium, large size auto dealers, new vehicle dealer, used vehicle dealers, or automobile services providers got associated with us. And anywhere between 1 crore on a low side to up to 4.5 crore on a high side is a number of people who visit Droom either through droom.in or our Android or iOS website apps. We have a presence in India in 1,176 cities. We have close to 1,20,000 crore rupees worth of inventory listed by 3,40,000 auto dealers and another 2,50,000 individual sellers. We have built this all in last 6 years. We are funded by world's largest investors. We are among the largest internet-based technology companies in India. And we have the world's best talent which works at Droom and call their home. We always build 21st century futuristic technologies, user experiences, and businesses. Me personally had an opportunity to create another very large company called shopclues.com in 2010. And before that, I lived in Silicon Valley and was very closely associated with Microsoft, Google, many other companies in my prior career. So we are very, very happy and proud to introduce Jump Shield as a business opportunity. You know, every time there's a change in the world, there's a new threat, there's a new opportunity, there's something new which is happening, always create some disruption, some challenges. And businessmen will always convert that into an opportunity. Pandemic is not something we wanted to be facing, but reality is it's been 4 months we are facing pandemic with coronavirus. 4 months back, everyone had hoped that probably one day I will wake up, I will read in a newspaper or hear on a TV or from a friend that there's a treatment and vaccine for corona and things will be over. Very similar to how chikungunya or dengue or malaria comes. But after 4 months, I am not a medical expert. There are millions of very people who have dedicated their entire life in medical sciences and saving human lives. Whatever we know today, currently there is no treatment which will fix you if you're suffering from corona. And corona spread either through airborne, when you cough or sneeze, and you have a droplet of an infected virus from you in the air and someone else inhale it, or those droplets fall on a surface on your body or a table or a cloth or a leather or a floor or a chair and someone else touch it, and after that they touch their lips, tongue or eyes or nose. That's how corona spread. We have created one solution for containment of that or any other germs, bacteria which spread through the surfaces, and Germ Shield is one of them. This is a most scientific and proven way of protecting any surface from spreading any type of viruses, germs and bacteria, because Germ Shield is not a cleaning or disinfectant, it is a coating. It can create an invisible coating to any surface which now stay on that surface as a coating for anywhere between 90 to 120 days and creates spikes which is not visible or touchable by human eyes or hands, but enough to rupture any droplet, viruses, germs, mold and fungus. This is a complete, so this is not disinfectant, this is not cleaning, this is not fumigation. This is a coating. This coating stays for 90 to 120 days, not for 15 minutes or 1 day or 2 days or 15 days. Third, this is proven effective in every type of viruses, germs, bacteria, mold, fungus, etc. And it is not just doing a coating. We provide end-to-end complete technology, artificial intelligence, data reporting, validity certificate, and 90 days money back guarantee. This is an excellent opportunity for businessmen and entrepreneurs to jump in and provide these services in their city, in their neighborhoods, in their business network. As my colleague Shashank mentioned, we opened Germ Shield franchisee options around 3 weeks back or around a month back. In the first phase, we want to have 250 franchisee on a pan-India basis. And so far, we are oversold. We have, as of 2:30 p.m. today, we have 3,599 applications for the 250 slots for Germ Shield franchisee. It takes time for someone to understand this, sign up, make a payment for us to send your branding material, your equipment, raw material, and keep you up and running. It takes 2 or 3 weeks. So far, around 40 Germ Shield franchisees are live in multiple cities such as Delhi, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Pune, Ahmedabad, Chennai, Udaipur, Jaipur, Lucknow, Bhubaneswar, and many other cities. The list is much longer. So some cities we will no longer be onboarding other franchisee. and I want to apologize that for us it is kind of first come first serve plus the eligibility, which is evaluated by our due diligence team. And we are very, very humbled that such a high response for this for becoming a Jumpshield franchisee. If I was not part of Droom, I know for sure I would be one of those 3,599 who applied, because this is a category which will grow for years and decades to come, independent of medical science advances for corona. And I really hope for a mankind's sake that we have a treatment and vaccine for this as soon as possible. But as they say, सावधानी हटी दुर्घटना घटी, and that is why we must protect ourselves. जैसे बारिश होती है हम ओडोमास लगाते हैं, सर्दियां आती है हम स्वेटर डालते हैं, हवा तेज होती है तो हम अपना मुंह ढकते हैं, सनलाइट बहुत ज्यादा होती है तो हम सन ग्लासेस यूज करते हैं. उसी ढंग से किसी भी वायरस, जर्मशील्ड, बैक्टीरिया, मोल्ड एंड फंगस से बचने के लिए जर्मशील्ड है, और ये अगले 50 साल के लिए वायबल होती जाएगी. मेरा सिर्फ आपसे अभी मैं अपनी टीम, मेरी टीम आपको जूम की जो लीडरशिप टीम है, जो जूम के अलग अलग मेंबर्स, जो आप लोग काफी लोग आप उनको जानते भी है, आप में से हजारों लोगों ने हमसे बात की है, हमने आपके साथ टाइम स्पेंड किया है और वो हम करेंगे. बट मेरा सिर्फ आपसे एक ही रिक्वेस्ट है. 3,599 एप्लीकेशंस आ चुकी है. हर रोज करीब 80 to 100 ऑन अ लो साइड एंड 150 to 200 ऑन अ हाई साइड हर रोज नई एप्लीकेशंस आती है. पहले फेज में हम सिर्फ 250 को ही एक्टिवेट कर सकते हैं, जिसमें से 40 को कर चुके हैं. सो 210 और बचे हैं. आप अपने सिटी में अपनी सपोर्ट को जल्दी ग्रैब कीजिए. हमारी तरफ से पूरी सपोर्ट आएगी, सपोर्ट आएगी, पूरी हेल्प आएगी, पूरी गाइडेंस आएगी. और अगर आपको कहीं पर मजा नहीं आ रहा तो हम आपको फुल रिफंड भी दे सकते हैं. बट मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि हमारी टीम ने बहुत रिसर्च की है. हमने एग्जिस्टिंग कुछ जमशील्ड फ्रेंचाइजीज के थ्रू देखा है. हर बिजनेस में शुरू में टीदिंग प्रॉब्लम आती है, नए नए इश्यूज आते हैं, बट इवेंचुअली वो पूरा वाइबल बिजनेस हो जाता है. आजकल नेटफ्लिक्स पे एक सीरीज चल रही है फाउंडर, जिसमें मैकडोनल्ड के बारे बताया जा रहा है. तो मैकडोनल्ड में हर रोज बहुत प्रॉब्लम आती थी. कभी बर्गर जल जाता था, कभी फ्राइज खराब होती थी, कभी केचप ठीक नहीं होता था, कभी पुलिस जल्दी बंद करा देती थी. और आज की डेट में आपको पता है मैकडोनल्ड दुनिया का सबसे सक्सेसफुल फ्रेंचाइजी ऑपरेशन है. आपको भी पता है बर्गर बहुत लोग बना सकते हैं, फ्राइज बहुत लोग बना सकते हैं, रेस्टोरेंट बहुत लोग खोल सकते हैं, पर दुनिया में एक ही मैकडोनल्ड है. हमारा वही विजन है. बहुत लोग सैनिटाइजेशन कर सकते हैं, क्लीनिंग कर सकते हैं, फ्यूमिगेशन कर सकते हैं, बट दुनिया में एक ही जर्मशील्ड है. तो इसमें आप लोगों ने रिस्पांस दिया है. अब आप इसको जल्दी जल्दी अपने सिटी में ग्रैब कीजिए. हमारी तरफ से पूरी हेल्प और सपोर्ट मिलेगी. और अगर आपको मजा नहीं आ रहा, फुल रिफंड, ये मेरा आपसे प्रॉमिस है. फुल रिफंड है आपको अगर आपको मजा नहीं आ रहा, क्योंकि हमें मजा नहीं आएगा अगर आपको मजा नहीं आ रहा. और ड्रूम ने इसमें टेंस ऑफ करोड़ रुपीस खर्च किए हैं. तो पहले साल फ्रेंचाइजी फी से हमें कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता. हमारा उसमें समुंदर से एक लोटा निकालने वाली बात है, वो हमारे लिए. पर अगर आप सब मिलकर सारे फ्रेंचाइजी, अगर 250 फ्रेंचाइजी साल का 500 से 1,000 करोड़ रुपए का बिजनेस करते हैं तो हमें मजा आएगा. हमें लगता है वो पॉसिबल है. बड़ी एक पार्टनरशिप है जहां पर हम आपको टेक्नोलॉजी, नो हाउ, इक्विपमेंट, रॉ मटेरियल, प्रोसेस, क्वालिटी, डेटा साइंस और सब चीजें प्रोवाइड करें, ब्रांडिंग, और आप अपनी फैसिलिटी, अपने लोग, अपना लोकल नेबरहुड और अपने नेटवर्क के थ्रू इसको डिलीवर करें. तो ये ऐसी पार्टनरशिप है, हम अपना काम करेंगे, आप अपना काम कीजिए, और हम सैनिटाइजेशन डिसइंफेक्टेंट में नया मैकडोनल्ड बना सकते हैं मिलकर। और मुझे बहुत गर्व है कि हमारी ये कम्युनिटी में 3600 लोगों ने अप्लाई किया है, 40 लोग एक्टिव हो चुके हैं, और हंड्रेड्स ऑफ ड्रूमर उनको हर रोज हेल्प कर रहे हैं ऑन बोर्ड होने में। तो मुझे आई रियली होप यू गेट योर स्लॉट, you become active, and we never disappoint you, and we all fulfill our business goals.